Hello everyone and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video I will talk about a discovery set from a brand that I personally appreciate a lot. I am talking about the brand ACQUA di Parma. This is like a small brand discovery set, is called Selection Set and is retailed here in the UK for £29. For me, when I think about the brand ACQUA di Parma, what is representative for this brand, the first thing that comes to mind is this beautiful yellow packaging, which we also see in front of us. The ACQUA di Parma was created in 1916 by the Baron Carlo Magnani from Parma, Italy, as his own personal colonia. Today the brand has many fragrances lines. Besides fragrances, they have a huge bath and body care range, they also have a home collection and much more. In order not to make today's video too long, I prefer to stop here. There are a lot of things to say about this brand, but I know that not everyone is interested in these details, so I think it's better to move our attention to this beautiful set. The selection set contains samples from 3 different lines. First 3 samples are from Colonia's line. Here we have our original Eau de Cologne collection. Well, I will be honest, I'm not a huge fan of this range. I think I'm not ready for these scents, I still find them too serious for me. The next 3 samples are from Blue Mediterraneo collection. Here we have 3 Eau de Toilette. This range is my favorite. The scents are joyful, they are closer to my taste, but they have a huge disadvantage. They doesn't last a lot. The wearing time is not great. And the last 4 samples are from Signatures of the Sun line. Here already we are talking about Eau de Parfum. This line is based on single and strong ingredient. Now let's talk about each scent individual, but before I start, I want to apologize. If somehow I don't pronounce a perfume name correctly, I don't do it on purpose. And now, let's start. The first scent is called Colonia. It's a beautiful aromatic citrusy scent on a woodsy base. The scent is nice, guys, a bit strong for what I like at this moment to wear. Definitely is a spring and summer day fragrance. The next fragrance is called Colonia Essenza. Here we have a strong citrusy men's scent. Is strong, is bold, perfect for spring and summer. In my opinion, it can be worn both day and night. It's a scent that can do that. It's strong and chic. Next we have a fragrance called Colonia Pura, a lightweight unisex scent. This is a clean citrusy scent, is aromatic, is floral, is powdery, easier to wear in my opinion, perfect for spring and summer, and definitely is a day scent. Now let's move to Blue Mediterraneo scents. First sample is called Arace di Capri. Is a lovely citrus scent, is aromatic, I feel the orange notes, I feel the lemon, I feel the musk. The scent is gorgeous, is fresh and citrusy. In my opinion, is a summer day fragrance, which I like a lot. Next we have Fico di Amalfi scent, which is my favorite fragrance from the set. Is a beautiful floral fruity scent with fig nectar notes, is citrusy, is floral with jasmine notes, very nice and wearable scent, perfect for spring and summer days. The last scent from Blue Mediterraneo line is called Mirto di Panarea. A strong, aromatic, spicy and herbal scent. In my opinion, is nice to smell it, but hard to wear it, is overpowering and suffocating for me. From the Signatures of the Sun line, we have a scent called Yuzu. I know this scent is beautiful, is clean, is simple. The star of this scent is the yuzu fruit, which is a citrus fruit. So the scent is citrusy, nice and wearable scent. Next comes the Osmanthus. I think many of you know how the Osmanthus flower smells. This scent is beautiful, is perfect for spring and summer days, is sweet, is floral, is musky, a bit citrusy. For my taste, is too sweet, but overall the scent is nice. Then next we have a fragrance called Quercia. It's a beautiful unisex scent. In my opinion, it's more a masculine scent. It's strong, it's fresh, it's aromatic, it's citrusy, it's spicy. It's a fragrance that can be worn all year round, day or night. It's beautiful, bold and strong. Like it a lot. Definitely I will remember this scent. It's lovely. And the last we have a fragrance called Wood. I didn't expect to like it. To my surprise, it is a nice scent. It's not exactly my cup of tea, but it's not bad. It's woodsy, not very strong, is aromatic and citrusy with spicy notes. To be fair, is an interesting scent, suitable for fall and winter. Overall, I really liked this set. Closer to me is the Blue Mediterranean and Signatures of the Sun lines. The disadvantage of Blue Mediterranean line is that it doesn't last a lot. In 2 hours the scent is no longer felt. The Signatures of the Sun last longer. In a couple of hours the scent it doesn't feel very strong, but a trace of a perfume you still feel. And this was everything for today. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!